What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Again, I thank you for taking the time to check me out. Please hit the subscribe, like, and notification button. Become a part of that notification gang. Again, we're all about the positive vibes here at Standout Vlogs. Follow me at _pos vibes only. So this week, we're looking here at the Babyliss Clippers, and I saw all these custom ideas, and I thought to myself, what could I do to kind of put my touch on these without breaking the bank? And I came up with an idea in my head, so
I think you know where this about to go. I think you know where this about to go.
So I got on Photopia. It's basically Photoshop online. Start messing around with a couple Clipper ideas. Came across this gold and silver idea and thought this would be really nice in my collection. So I really wanted to take you guys through the steps on how I made it happen. Alright, so basically we're just going to walk through the steps. Again, I try to do it methodically and start with the bottom. Then I went and took the blades off. And if you're a barber or have your own set of Babyliss clippers, you've probably taken the blade off before to clean them. These are just a few additional steps to you being along your way to customize the Babyliss clippers. Okay, for the front clip, there's two clips that you can push out from the inside. I just pushed those out. I took a small flathead. Once it was popped out, I just lifted it. Again, I did not pry this open, but again, it's simple. Start from the inside, work your way out with those. So again, the main goal here in my customization of these is switching out all the accent pieces. Again, we're leaving pretty much the clipper intact. Again, I'm changing the power button, the blade lever, and the bottom accent chrome and gold pieces. And that's it. We're not really messing with anything else. So this is pretty much a straightforward customization. But again, it's just something that's not out there, and thought I'd take advantage of that. Alright, so here on the silver clipper, we're going to do the exact same thing that we did in the first step with the black clippers. Again, we're just going to strip it down, take off those pieces, and then swap them over. If you missed something or you have a question, just drop it down in the comments below. I'll be sure to check it out and respond to you. Bam. This is the finished product. These silver and gold ones were fresh out of the box, never used. If you want to cop them, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Again, if you guys have video ideas, hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Thanks.